In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats, safeguarding your network is of paramount importance. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. And before moving ahead, do subscribe for regular updates. But what exactly is a network firewall and how does it work? In simple terms, a network firewall acts as a barrier between your internal network and the outside world, specifically the internet. Its primary function is to examine and filter incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules and regulations. By doing so, it prevents unauthorized access, blocks malicious activities, and safeguards your sensitive data from cyber threats. Now let's explore the key features that make a network firewall an indispensable part of your security arsenal. First and foremost, a robust network firewall should offer comprehensive protection against a wide range of threats. This includes blocking malicious websites, preventing unauthorized remote access, and mitigating common vulnerabilities such as skull injection attacks. Next, it should provide robust network segmentation capabilities. By segmenting your network into smaller, isolated sections, you can limit the impact of a security breach and ensure that attackers cannot easily move laterally within your network. Another crucial aspect is the ability to detect and prevent denial of service attacks, which aim to make a system or network resource unavailable to its users. A good network firewall will have mechanisms in place to identify and block these attacks, ensuring the stability and reliability of your network. Additionally, a modern network firewall should incorporate intrusion prevention systems, IPS, which can analyze network traffic and block suspicious activities in real time. IPS can also generate alerts and logs, providing valuable insights into potential threats. To effectively secure your network, it's essential to choose the right network firewall. Consider factors such as the size of your network, your budget, and most importantly, your specific security requirements. For small to medium businesses, next-generation firewalls are an excellent choice. They offer advanced features like application awareness, intrusion prevention, and robust reporting capabilities. Some popular options include Cisco Meraki MX, Palo Alto Networks SPA firewalls, and Fortinet FortiGate. For larger enterprises with more complex requirements, enterprise-level firewalls provide greater scalability, advanced threat protection, and features like sandboxing to isolate and analyze threats in a safe environment. Examples include Checkpoint, Firepower, SonicWall, and WatchGuard firewalls. Investing in a reliable network firewall is an investment in the security and longevity of your business. It acts as the first line of defense against cyber threats, safeguarding your valuable data and ensuring the continuity of your operations. By staying vigilant, educating your employees, and continually assessing your security needs, you can effectively protect your network from emerging threats. So what are you waiting for? Secure your network today and join the conversation. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay informed, stay secure. Thank you for watching.